How to make Keto Strawberry Cheesecake Shake. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 ounce cream cheese, ½ cup strawberries, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 1 tablespoon erythritol, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 30-gram pea protein. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Combine all of the ingredients in a blender. Pulse until smooth. 3. Serve in glasses. And enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Strawberry Cheesecake Shake. Each serving comes out to be 466 calories, 33.4 grams fat, 9.8 grams net carbs, and 29.5 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.